Alright guys, we're back. Hey, I don't have the microphone hooked up, but we are over here overlooking the Atlantic Ocean and some of the most beautiful cliffs in the world. Check this place out. Got any last words? Alright. Look, you can just jump in here, bud, if you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna We're supposed to jump in.
You gonna do a water check?
Yeah, and I just don't want it.
Is it nice and chilly?
Yep.
Alright, go, bud. Oh my god. Alright. Well, you can keep swimming, bud.
You just want to do a quick dip? What?
How was it?
Really cold. Keep on going, dude. Yeah, no. Oh, wants to jump?
He just wants to jump. There you go. Get after it, bud. Alright guys, that'll do it for us here in Lagos, Portugal. We're about to get in the car and drive back to Lisbon. It's about a 3-hour drive. I really hope that you guys enjoyed following us along on our little vacation here. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe and never stop exploring. Peace!